Guys, education and technology is back with another video for you. Today we will show you 5 shocking websites that you must know. Without any delay, let's start our video. But before starting, you must subscribe our channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon on. In our list, the number 1 is for lazy people or those people who don't want to type anything.
For my reefer, man. That shit good.
If you are too lazy and don't want to type anything, then this website is for you. Now open the website known as Dictation.io. I will show you how it works. Okay, click on Launch Dictionary. In this website, you can change your voice into the text. Yes, you can speak anything and it is written in your screen. And allow your microphone. Okay guys, hit the like button to our channel. Yeah, you can see that it's working perfectly, so try it once. You can choose any language you want. Second, we have Resume Maker. This is really helpful for those who are trying to make their resume for official work. So now enter your data here. You can also download the PDF format of this, so let's preview this. If you haven't subscribed our channel till now, so go first and subscribe it. In number 3, we have w3school.com. Many of you already know about this. This is a really helpful website for those who are learning their programming language. So you can get any written command here. Another website we have is Pushpin, and this website is generally used for sending our long data in a single link. You can send many long files data in a single link from this website. At last, we have a very interesting website known as alternative.com. This website has the alternative of any software that you want. For example, I searched for the alternative of Facebook. And this is all for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to our channel. Thank you.